Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a day in the life. I'm taking you guys on vacation with me. The boys have no idea where we're going, so we've got to load up the car and hit the road. So let's go. Right now we made a pit stop to get some gas, and we also need to run in to grab some ice for our cooler. So while Raheem is pumping the gas, I'm gonna go ahead and run in and grab a bag of ice. The boys were watching Despicable Me, only to fall asleep halfway through the ride. We are finally here at Cedar Point in Sandusky, Ohio, which was only about a 2.5-hour drive for us. And every time we come, we're always here just for the amusement park. But this time around, we're bringing the boys to experience Cedar Point Beach. So we booked us a hotel right on the beach. So I'm gonna go ahead and check in, and then I'll give you guys a tour of the room. And then we're gonna head to the beach to enjoy the sun and take lots of pictures. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to see them all. We end up staying at Hotel Breakers, which sits right on the beach. I booked us a 1-bedroom suite with the lake view. So the suite included 2 queen-size beds and 1 pull-out sofa bed. We're outside now and ready for the beach. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
As soon as we arrived, I realized our cooler did not have wheels on it, and it was going to be way too heavy for Raheem to carry from the parking lot to the beach. Thankfully, he brought a insulated bag that we used instead to put some drinks in while we were sitting at the beach. Well, they broke a few sand buckets already, and they tried so hard to build some sand castles. We picked the absolute perfect day to come to the beach. It's sunny, but it's not too hot. It keeps getting cloudy every so often, so we didn't even need to have our umbrella or a tent or anything. I highly recommend that if you're in the Midwest area and live in Ohio like we do, definitely come to Cedar Point for the beach, because the closest beach to us is about an 8 to 10 hour drive, and ain't nobody got time for that. So this was perfect for us. Where's your foot? Oh no! Where'd it go? You're missing a foot. Where's it at?
Oh no!
Can you get it out? Oh, good job. You did it. High five. I realized that I forgot to tell you guys what body of water this is. So we're at Lake Erie. Now, Raheem and I have been to the ocean. The kids have never. So I was kind of worried coming to a lake. I thought the water would be dirty, but it was actually cleaner than I expected it to be. The best part, I didn't have to worry about sharks and jellyfish.
Look, I found a seashell, Mom.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, buddy.
I picked it up. So I just dropped the boys off at the pool, and now I'm on the way to the bar at the beach to get me a drink. I ended up having to come back to the room because Noah had to pee. It's crazy that I can see them swimming from up here in our hotel room. But I just discovered that Cedar Point actually has a children's pool. So I'm getting ready to take the younger boys there so that way they won't be so afraid to play in the water. Good morning, you guys. Today we are checking out of our hotel, and as you can see, it is a hot mess. So you're gonna clean with me before we get out of here. Every time we go swimming, I've learned to bring a trash bag with me because it makes it easier to keep all of our wet clothes together. That way, as soon as we get home, I throw everything in the wash. Yeah, this is me still struggling, trying to figure out how to deflate the arm float thingies that the kids didn't even use in the pool, and I finally found a method.
Well, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life vacation with me. I had so much fun making it. This vacation was a ton of fun for us, so thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Bye.